In this video, I'm going to show you how to save in Photoshop. So there's two kind of concepts here. You can either save a project as like a Photoshop PSD file, or you can just export your photo or whatever you were working on. So if you were to have an image like this, I just have a picture of Harry Potter. I'm a big fan of making a copy of the layer just in case you mess something up. That way you always have a copy of it. So what you want to do here is, the first way is to save as, and you can save this as really anything that you want. I'll just hit Harry Potter, no big deal. And make sure you choose the Photoshop file. That way you can go back and fix something or change something if you want. And then you hit OK and your file is saved. And then from that point you can just hit save and all that stuff. The other way to do it is you can go to File and hit Export, and then export as a JPEG or any kind of format that you want, and then you can export that and it will export as a JPEG on your desktop, and that's about it. That's how you simply save on Photoshop.